Good morning. Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Friday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend is rising. It has reversed directions to up from down. Today's reading is 58% versus 39% the previous day. Dow momentum rising 39% versus 26%. Dow volatility rising 1.09% from 0.76% the previous day. Dow 50-day net change rising negative 313 versus a negative 657. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we begin through Friday's trading, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory decreased to 7% versus 8% the previous day. Institutional money flow rising 42% versus 29%. Institutional demand rising 48.3% from 43.5%. Institutional inventory rising 49.4% from 42.5%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend rose to 8% from 7%. Friday's trading highlights, as we view it, the first is Dow Jones Industrial Average rose to an intermediate term resistance of 11,724 Thursday. So we're at resistance there. Week before Labor Day is most positive of all pre-holidays. Consumer spending and incomes data reports today. Tropical storm Gustav may affect oil and gas prices today. The DIA ETF 8-day moving average continues to be lower than the 21-day moving average, which is not positive. Dow trend reversed directions, as I mentioned, to up from down yesterday. And lastly, the Dow Jones Industrial Average has rallied 329 points in 3 days. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. We notice that the Dow outlook is bearish, falling. Rising 37% versus 35% the previous day. Stock market outlook is bullish, rising 68.3 versus 59.9% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has a probability of closing up Friday of only 45%, versus the Diamonds, DIA, has a probability of closing up Friday of 3%. Let's take a look at Thursday's results of our $1 million actual trading account that we post nightly on the internet. Today's account value, after beginning at $1 million, December of 07, today's value $1,040,683 for a net change of minus $48,914 on the day. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, MktMetrics, and read my blog. Post nightly and in the morning, trading ideas and the stock market forecast. Even better, why don't you subscribe, 14-day free trial, plenty of information there to help your trading results. Well, that's it for now. Good luck and good trading today. Have a marvelous Labor Day weekend. Hope to see you Tuesday.